Hey everyone, we are going to stick with a tropical theme today. So I am sick of winter. I don't know about you guys, but I'm trying to envision tropical. So we are going to be making the Peach Passion today. This is going to be a shaken cocktail. So we've got our shaker tin. Make sure you have your jigger, accurate measurements, always. This is going to go in a rocks glass with ice. We are going to be using some fresh lemon juice, so make sure that you've got your Hawthorne strainer and your mesh strainer. As always, ingredient list is going to be down below so you can build the cocktail along with me. But you're going to need lemon juice, peach nectar or peach puree, peach schnapps, and then your favorite brand of bourbon or whiskey. You can do either for this one. So this is going to be a brown spirited cocktail. All right, to start off here, we are going to start in with 1/2 ounce of that fresh lemon juice. And then we're going to go in with a full ounce of peach puree or peach nectar. Ugh, if I can get it to come out. And then we're going to do 1 full ounce of peach schnapps. And then 2 full ounces of your favorite bourbon or whiskey. Oh, helps if I turn it the right way so that way it actually comes out. Haha. We're going to just make a mess is what we're going to do. All right, as always, guys, we're going to fill our shaker tin up to the top with ice and shake until it is ice cold in our hands. Oh, and in case you're curious, you are going to have crazy forearms by the time you're done with this, if you're following along. Biceps, forearms, whatever. You know what I mean. This upper half is going to be real strong. Uh-oh, this one got stuck. Oh, no. Ha ha ha. All right, don't forget, we're going to fill this guy with ice. Okay, maybe not fill. We're going to put about halfway. Since I got peanut gallery in the back telling me how things are. All right, then we're going to double strain into our glass. I'm smelling nothing but peaches over here. All right, so what I've decided to do, you can, of course, do a peach slice, which I would love to do if I had fresh peaches, but I don't. Otherwise, I'm going to give it a little pop of color by using a mint sprig. Now, if you guys have watched any of my other videos, which I'm assuming you have, if not, you're in trouble. So what you want to do is you want to just kind of give this a nice little tap on your hand to release all of the oils. And then we are going to stick it in there like so. And there she is, Peach Passion. Don't forget, guys, if you enjoy what I'm doing, you like seeing my gorgeous face every day, enjoy making the cocktails with me, like, comment, subscribe. I want to hear from you. Until the next pour, cheers.